咁大家有需要覺得，因為之前啲 cohort 有啲同學都話要聽多一次兩次佢先聽得明啊，或者有啲上堂 miss 咗，咁錄咗就方便大家去咩啦嚇。好，大家今堂 focus 呢份嘢先。嗱，我6個啦，我逐個講。第一個咧叫 selection bias。嗱 selection bias 底下咧，你會見到咧有2個 items 咧，我哋係要決定㗎。第一個，我想大家自己望下呢條題目，然之後咧嘗試去理解下究竟佢講乜嘢。嗱 research 咧嗰啲嘢咧，其實英文字咧唔係好深㗎喎嚇，因為唔係寫英國文學嗰啲字啊嘛。但係咧唔知點解咧，好多時同我睇完句嘢咧，其實唔知佢講乜嘢嘅嚇。即係所以咧，點解我就想大家自己望一望先。然之後咧，你點樣去理解呢句説話其實係講緊咩咧？係重要嘅。你理解佢錯咗之後咧，你就揾唔翻，你就唔知做乜噶啦。咁你又揾唔到答案噶啦。第一句係乜嘢啊？ Are the individuals selected to participate in the study likely to be representative of the target population？ 你估下佢想講乜嘢喺呢度？你理唔理解呢句説話？你估下佢想講乜嘢？佢想講咩啊？雖然我未教 subject recruitment， 下星期會講啦。但係你睇完呢個嘢，純粹係英文嘅理解啊！佢講咩啊？佢哋話 Are the individuals selected 咩意思咧？咩叫 individuals selected 咧？係啦 ，recruit 咗嗰啲人啦，因為我哋要 recruit 啲人翻嚟。我哋做 healthcare studies 咧，基本上9成半咧，9成9咧，我哋要嘅 subjects 咧都係人嚟嘅嚇，都係人嚟嘅。咁咧呢個 individual selected 咧係代表我哋 recruit 咗嗰啲人翻，嗰啲人啦，我哋叫 participant 啊。individual selected to participate in the study 即係 participant 啦。likely to be representative of the target population。咩叫 target population 先？大家記唔記得 PICO 啊？熟悉啦，你個 project 都做 PICO。PICO 個 P 就係你個 target population 啦。咁你可唔可以你話俾我聽，你而家做緊嗰個 topic 個 P 係乜嘢啊？例如你嗰組啊，你個 P 係乜嘢？你自己嗰個功課 group project 記唔記得？係咪？係咪啊 ？Pregnant woman 係咪啊？咁係咯 ，pregnant woman。咁你哋嗰組咧，隔離嗰組係咪同一組嚟㗎？唔係嗬？你哋咧？你哋個 P 係咩啊？哦，係啦，第一次生小朋友嘅媽媽係咪啊？咁咧係啦，即係個個都有唔同，後面其他組有啲唔同。呢個叫 target population。佢即係話咧，你 recruit 翻嚟嗰啲 pregnant woman，好似佢哋嗰組，係咪同你嘅 target group 裡面嘅 pregnant woman 係相似啊 ？represent 可以代表到咁嘅意思嚇。咁你知唔知佢講咩啊？解釋完都咩叫知咩代唔代表到啊？嚇，我咪 recruit 緊 pregnant woman 咯。咁我 recruit 翻嚟嗰啲梗係 pregnant woman 啦。點解你問代唔代表到咧？其實佢喺度問乜咧？其實咧佢係問緊一樣嘢，就係問嗰個 selection criteria。嗱，下星期我會講咧，你點樣去 select 嗰啲 participant。第二樣佢講咩咧？第二樣就係講啦，我琴日有提嗰啲 terms 嘅 demographics。我琴日咪提過 demographics？ 咩叫 demographics 啊？你俾一個例子我啊。gender 啦 age 啦呢全部都係 demographics。佢咧呢度講緊 represent 到咧。嗱 selection criteria 我哋 set 得清楚咧，就肯定 recruit 得啱你想要嗰啲 pregnant woman 噶啦。我哋嘅 selection criteria 唔會就咁寫住 pregnant woman 嘅。你究竟好似頭先咁嗰隔離一組淨係要第一次懷孕嗰啲嘅啫，係嘛？有啲咧有 age range 嘅，可能有啲 medical history 有限制嘅，視乎你想睇咩 group 咯，係咪？或者有啲咧可能咧個 ethics group 有限嘅嚇，睇佢有冇睇佢個 weight 幾多有會限嘅，咁視乎你想睇咩，嗰個就係你所謂嘅 target group。所以你個 selection criteria set 得清楚咧，你 recruit 翻嚟嗰啲 pregnant women 咧，基本上同你個 target population 裡面嘅都相似嘅。但係第二樣頭先個 demographic 就唔一樣啦，因為我哋個 selection criteria 裡面咧係唔會寫晒所有 demographic 喺度嘅。呢啲咧就係所有我尋日講咧啲 external factors，我哋控制唔到嘅嚇。每一個 pregnant woman 佢都有自己一個好 unique 嘅 demographic characteristics。咁呢個就係講緊呢一樣嘢，所以我哋要諗啦嚇。你哋嗰啲 topic 嚇，嗰3份 paper 裡面嘅 pregnant woman 究竟係咪能夠代表到 in terms of demographic characteristics 成所有嘅pregnant woman 咧？咩叫所有啊？全個地球啊？全個亞洲、外國人定係美國人定亞洲人，係你點定咯？如果你話做啲 Asian 嘅， 做 Chinese 嘅 pregnant woman， 你個 target group 咪 Chinese woman 啊，咁所以你咪係 Chinese 嘅 pregnant woman 咯，知唔知啊？即係你所以你仍然都好清楚你個 target population 係咩咯。咁我哋咧呢度要分咧4個 level，very likely、somewhat likely、not likely or can't tell 嘅。咁喺後面頭先嗰幾蚊有一版咪 dictionary 咧，佢寫得好清楚啦。very likely 嗰啲係咩咧？如果咧我哋用 random selection 嘅方法，下星期會講嘅，其中一個方法叫 random selection，randomly 去 select 佢哋，咁咧就係 very likely 嘅。咁如果咧 somewhat likely 嗰啲咧就係啦，我都係用一個 random 嘅方法去 select，但係咧我咧，譬如我講係香港啦，唔好咁遠啦，淨喺香港 recruit 啲 pregnant woman， 我可能咧淨喺威爾斯醫院嗰度咧個 maternal clinic 嗰度 recruit 嘅啫，但係全香港止唔止得威爾斯醫院有產科啊？唔止喎、哦，咁佢咧 recruit 嗰個地方咧得一個就好窄啦。咁呢啲咧我哋就叫 somewhat likely 嚇。Not likely 係嗰啲係咩咧 ？Not likely 咧其實最唔理想就係咩咧？佢自己睇到個 poster 你宣傳，可能喺 website 度宣傳，因為佢睇到佢自己嚟 approach 你嗰啲，因為我都唔知佢邊度嚟嘅嚇。咁嗰啲咧係比較弱啲嘅。Can't tell 意思就係咩咧？下面嗰啲都有 can't tell 嘅。Can't tell 意思就係話喺篇文章裡面咧，佢冇 describe 過佢自己點樣去 recruit 嗰啲 pregnant woman 嘅，嗰啲叫 can't tell。嗱，如果佢冇寫咧，我哋唔能夠作嘅嚇，冇寫啊就當 very likely 啦，唔可以咁嘅。佢冇寫就係冇寫咯，冇寫亦都唔係你個 fault 嚟嘅喎，所以千祈咧，之前有啲同學好得意，佢冇寫點算啊 ，Miss？ 我如果寫 can't tell 係咪好低分啊？我個 project 咁樣係唔啱嘅。但係你知我點答佢咧？如果佢冇寫，你唔 take can't tell，你 take very likely 咧，你個 project 就會好低分啦，因為咧你 differentiate 唔到究竟篇文章究竟有冇講過嚇，同埋佢用緊嘅方法究竟係會令到 recruit 翻嚟嘅 women 係 represent 咗個 population or not 嚇。所以咧呢份功課咧，大家唔需要擔心話咧，我揀到個3份 RCT 得 moderate 咋，隔離嗰組 strong 喎，一定攞 A 啦佢哋。唔係咁嘅意思喎，因為份 paper 咧並唔係你寫嘅，你個責任係咩呀？係去睇到佢好同埋唔好，你能夠好精明咁睇到佢唔好咧，即係話咧你對於呢個 assessment 嘅過程係好熟悉，就係你要學嘅嘢啦，咁你就攞 A 啦，知唔知道啊？所以大家要好理解嗰個説話係乜嘢。嗱，咁第二啦 ，what percentage of selected individuals agree to participate？ 嗱，上面咧我哋就會知道下究竟我哋揀翻嚟嘅 pregnant women 同我哋嘅 target population，target 譬如 Hong Kong 嘅 pregnant women 係咪相似啦 ？In terms of demographic， 咁下面佢就問啦，咁有幾多個你揀咗係佢願意嚟參加㗎？嗱，我哋揀咗佢咧，唔代表佢一定要嚟嘅喎。我哋 research 咧有 ethics 嘅。佢可以參加，可以今日話參加，參加完之後咧，佢參加到一半佢唔想嚟，佢都可以走嘅。咁佢呢度咧就係講緊佢 agree 嘅 ，agree 咧我哋要 sign consent form 嘅，俾 consent 你嘅，就係話 sign 咗 consent form 嘅，有幾多係 sign 咗 consent form 我哋要知，唔一定100%嘅，可以佢你今日 recruit 咗一紮啊，有50個啦齊啦，都話嚟，最終真係出現嘅咧，可能得翻一半嘅啫。咁呢個係好唔理想嘅情況嚟嘅。好唔理想嘅情況，咁呢度咧，我哋係要知道嘅。咁佢有5個 item 嚟㗎，咁呢度咧有得計數㗎，我哋可以計㗎。有啲咧就有啲 paper 質素高啲嗰啲 paper，佢自己會 report 個 percentage。咁有啲相對咧個質素唔係咁好嗰啲咧，佢唔 mention 嘅。咁所以都希望大家就係揾到一啲高質素啲嘅 RCT paper，咁可以睇下人哋係寫咗啲乜咯嚇。如果比較劣質嗰啲咧，尤其係一啲 predatory journal，predatory journal 咧。即係話佢收錢咧出 paper 嘅，你走去寫一份，你話係 RCT， 你俾錢佢就出㗎啦。但係其實個 quality 係唔到嘅，嗰啲叫 predatory journal。咁我哋就係即係譬如老師就係唔可以喺呢啲 journal 度出 paper 嘅嚇，學校係唔俾嘅嚇，因為係冇質素㗎嘛，我哋唔可以咁樣嘅。咁我哋可以計得翻嘅。咁下星期咧下星期我哋做嗰個 exercise 咧就可以係有嘅，咁咧可以教大家計咯喺嗰度嚇。咁我哋咧根據呢兩個 result 咧，根據 A 1同埋2咧，我哋揀咗個 rating 咧，我哋對翻頭先嘅 dictionary 咧，呢度一對噶嘛，呢度就係我頭先講嘅嘢嚟㗎啦嚇。咁我哋去翻個 dictionary 尾啲嘅頁數咧，呢度。Commodon rating， 我哋就會睇到 點為之 strong 係呢個 component 啊，講緊點為之 strong，點為之 moderate，點為之 weak 嘅。咁所以最緊要咧，大家就係理解咗頭先 A1 同 A2係點解，揀啱嘅 rating，咁咧就可以根據呢一度，唔使刻意背嘅，我亦都唔會考試咁樣考你呢一份嘢㗎。如果我真係要用呢份嘢，我俾埋你添嘅嚇，大家唔需要背，唔使驚，但係要理解嚇。考試我亦都唔會出呢份嘢。因為大筆要出嚇，呢份喺個 project 度已經 assess 咗大家啦嚇。咁咧講多樣啦，講親 subject recruitment，呢兩題都同 subject recruitment 有關嘅。咁咧喺一份 paper 裏面咧，一定會有個 section 叫 subject recruitment 或者叫 sampling。咁咧我哋喺嗰度咧就會揾得到晒呢一啲資料噶啦。如果你喺嗰度揾唔到咧，其實即係話佢冇 report 到咯，佢冇 report 到咯。咁喺啲好質素嘅 paper， 好嘅質素嘅 paper 咧，一定會 report 呢一啲嘢嘅。OK， 如果有唔明咧，可以即刻舉手問喎，唔使等到最後都得㗎。咁可以即刻解答咗大家嗰個係咯疑難。B 啦 ，study design，study design 咧就琴日啱講完喎，咁大家應該個 memory 好 fresh 啦。嗱，大家望下啦 ，study design 咧其實有好幾題嘅，咁咧佢要你 indicate 個 study design 先嘅。咁咧喺 study design 咧，我哋喺邊度會揾到咧？成份 paper 通常咧第一揾到咧。如果佢真係一個 RCT 啊，唔係假，唔係呃人嗰啲咧，佢就咧喺個 title 嗰度大大隻字寫住 randomized control trial。因為 RCT 我尋日講係咩嚟㗎 ？Gold standard 係嘛？最好嘅咩叫最好先？我哋一定要講清，唔好成日用啲 descriptor。咩叫好啊？好嘅意思就係佢 generate 到最好嘅 evidence 出嚟。最好嘅 evidence，in other words 係咩啊 ？error 越最少嘅 evidence，所以最可信嘅，最能夠攞嚟 support。你嗰個 new practice 係有效，可以 improve 到個 patient outcome 嘅，咁嗰啲叫做好啦嚇。咁喺呢度裏面咧，除咗 title 睇到咧，喺個文章裏面咧，喺個文章裏面會有一個 section， 有一個大 section 叫 methods。method 底下咧會有一個 section 叫 study design， 佢就喺嗰度咧寫㗎啦，一定會嗰度寫嘅。啊 RCTC control 有幾多 group，佢都喺嗰度寫嘅。我尋日話一個 RCT 最少幾多 group 啊？最少2 group 係咪？但係淨係可以有2 group 啊？唔係啊！如果佢話自己 RCT 最終你裡面淨係抄到得一 group，咁即係換句，即係咩意思啊？即係話嗰個人寫嘅時候唔知咩叫 RCT 嚇，嗰啲一定係好差嘅 paper，咁啊掉咗你，唔好攞出嚟做啦嚇，揀份好啲。一定係啲好差嘅 journal， 俾錢嗰啲 journal 啊 ，predatory journal， 我哋唔好睇嗰啲差嘅嘢，我哋學啲好嘅。咁樣啦，喺嗰度會嘅，咁我會好仔細咧，佢唔係淨係擺俾你聽 RCT， 佢好仔細 describe 佢有幾多個 group study groups。每個 study groups 咧會 receive 一啲乜嘢嘅interventions 或者 therapy 嚇。就算個 control group， 我琴日講 control group 都有好多唔同 condition 係咪啊？佢都會好仔細去 describe 啊 control group 究竟係邊一種 placebo 啊，完全冇 intervention 定係有啲 alternative treatment 啊，咁佢都會喺度解釋嘅。咁好啦，我想大家望下呢8樣嘢先，有邊幾項你係識㗎？尋日聽過㗎。嗱，第一個實識啦，係嘛 ？RCT 啊嘛。第二個識唔識啊？第二個你都識嘅，你知唔知係咩啊？你覺得佢係咩啊？冇 random， 佢冇 randomize 隻字啦，但係佢有 control 同埋咩啊 ？clinical trial 即係 intervention 咯。咁所以係邊種啊 ？quasi experimental studies 係嘛 ？quasi 佢唔會，佢未必寫 quasi experimental， 但係你咁樣寫，你知道佢係 quasi experimental。cohort analytics 識唔識啊？即係 cohort 咯，其實兩組嚇有 pre-post case control 咧，係咪聽過啦？係咪啊 ？identify 咗個 outcome 先。我琴日例子係 lung cancer。然之後 retrospectively 睇翻佢過去嘅一啲 medical record 啊，或者 interview 睇下有啲咩嘢嘅 factor 令到佢有嗰個 lung cancer 嚇 case control。呢個 cohort 咧 one group pre-post 咧 cohort 都可以 one group 嘅，咁所以都係琴日有啲 cohort 嚇。不過係另外，其實 cohort 可以有好多唔同嘅款式出現嘅嚇。interrupt time series 咧係唔識嘅 other specify， 因為咧 study design 有極多種嘅，咁所以如果都唔喺呢個 list 上面咧，咁你咪自己寫低佢咯。can't tell 咧嗰份 paper 你都唔好做啦，掉咗佢啦嚇，連個 study design 都唔寫，咁啊唔好睇啦嗰啲嚇。咁咧我下星期同你哋 go through 嗰份當然都係一份 RCT 啦嚇，即係最想大家識咗 RCT 先咁樣。咁大家要喺度揀啦，揀完之後咧就要答下面3樣嘢嘅。Was the study described as randomized？ 咩意思啊？佢問乜嘢啊 ？Describe as randomized。你要理解咗句説話，你先識得去揾資料噶嘛。我先至話俾你聽， 喺個 method 下面有一個叫 study design，你揾到呢啲料。咁但係咁佢講咩先？你點 take yes or no 先 ？Was the study design as randomized？佢講咩啊？咩意思啊？呢個 randomize 係咪解釋得好清楚㗎啦？我希望嚇大家接收到我講嘢。咩意思啊 ？randomize random 乜嘢啊 ？random assignment 係咩意思啊？將你 recruit 咗翻嚟嘅人係做乜嘢啊？分落兩個 study 點分啊 ？randomly 去分定係 by interest 啊 ？random 用一個 random 嘅方法去分嚇。咁咧你要睇啦。如果佢係佢 describe 佢呢度寫你 describe as randomized 啫喎，冇話佢係咪真係有喎？我冇做都可以寫自己係 RCT 嘅喎，係咪啊？所以有冇 describe 啊？有 yes 咯。If yes, was the method of randomization described？ 呢個就真係問啦。如果嗰篇 paper 個 author 話佢自己係一個 randomized control trial， 咁佢有冇 describe 到佢點樣做過 randomization， 即係 random assignment 啊？一啲好質素嘅 RCT 咧係有嘅，佢會講嘅。咁咧，但係啲做 randomization 嘅方法係點咧？我就唔會特別教大家，有好多唔同款式嘅。咁下星期我哋睇嗰篇 paper 你可以睇到其中一種方法，大家亦都唔需要好仔細知道佢點樣去做嚇。你知道啊，原來喺呢啲 section 可以 identify 到呢一啲資料就 OK 啦。If yes, was the method appropriate？ 我唔 appropriate 啊個 method。通常如果佢好仔細講晒，用一啲好 standard 嘅方法咧，咁我哋都話佢係 appropriate 嘅啦嚇。咁下星期可以有例子同大家 go through。咁如果佢係一個 RCT 啦，你全部都 yes 咧，基本上咧，你睇翻個 dictionary 呢一個 section 咧都係 strong 噶啊，都係 strong。好 C 啦 ，confounders 呢個字見過未啊 ？confounders， 你哋之前學啲堂啲科啲嘢有冇見過啊？喺今個 course 裏面咧，我未 introduce 呢個字嘅，遲啲我都會 introduce 呢個字俾大家。Confounders 咧，其實我琴日都有講嘅，不過我冇講呢個 terms 出嚟俾大家聽，就係啲 external factors， 我哋明知佢係會影響我哋個 outcome 㗎。我琴日俾你哋嘅例子就係個 gaming disorder risk 啊嘛，我明知會影響個 gaming disorder 嘅，例如 gender 男女，我明知係會嘅。但係咧，我喺整個 study 裏面咧，我冇諗辦法咧去 control 佢。咁呢個咧係最唔好嘅方法嚟嘅。咁所以我哋諗 confounders 嘅時候咧，一諗我哋要一睇到呢個字 confounders 咧，我哋就要去諗啦。啊，究竟有冇啲乜嘢 demographic 嘅 factors 係好 obviously 係影響住我個 study outcome？例如我嗰個 gaming disorder risk 嘅咧，我明知道 gender 肯定係嘅。我點解知啊？唔係自己諗喎，唔係靠自己 observe 喎，原來好多 literature 已經話俾佢知咧，做咗好多一啲好 high quality 嘅 literature 咧 ，gender 咧係好影響個 gaming disorder risk 嘅，所以我咁樣咧先至夠有信心咧話呢一個 demographic factor gender 係會影響住個 gaming disorder risk 嘅啫嚇。咁所以我哋要咁樣去睇。咁如果我哋發現有 confounders 嘅時候點算咧？其實好多 study 都會有 confounders 嘅。confounders 大家都知道係唔好噶啦，因為佢會影響住個 outcome 噶嘛。如果我唔好好地去 control 佢咧，我譬如我個 study 全部 recruit 晒啲男仔翻嚟嚇，咁個 risk 肯定係高啦，係咪？但係如果有第二個 study 淨係女仔，個 risk 就係低喎，咁咪變咗係好唔 consistent 咯。但係個影響原來咧係 from 個 gender 嚟嘅，咁所以點解我哋一定要控制佢？嗱，如果我哋唔控制得好佢咧，成個 studies 咧個質素就低㗎啦嚇，因為我唔肯定我個 findings 出嚟咧，究竟係因為我個 intervention 啦，定係因為呢一啲影響住我個 outcome 嘅 demographics 啦。咁好啦，我哋睇下佢咧問咩先 ？Q1 啦 ，C were there important difference between groups prior to the intervention？ 嗱，大家又理解下呢句英文，究竟佢又喺度問乜嘢咯？因為好多同學都唔係好理解嘅。Were there important difference between groups prior to the intervention？ 大家點理解呢句説話？佢講咩喺度？明明講緊 confounders 㗎，咩 important difference between groups 啊？講緊咩啊？你知唔知佢講咩啊？嚇？你知唔知佢講咩？理唔理解到佢講乜嘢？唔知佢講咩？講乜嘢佢喺度？嚇？講下講一句嘢，好似唔係好關事咁嘅。佢問咩啊？頭先講啦 ，confounders 係講 demographic 啊嘛。你見佢下面都 list out 咧 example of confounders， 全部都係 demographic 嘅，除咗第8嗰個唔係嘅啫，係咪？除咗第8嗰個唔係，上面啲全部都 demographic 嚟嘅。 佢講緊嘅 important difference between groups 咧 ，important 嗱，因為咧 between groups 咩 groups 啊 ？between 兩個 study groups 或者3個、4個 study groups 啊，係講緊 study groups。important difference in terms of 咩啊？個 demographic characteristics。important difference in terms of demographic characteristics between study groups prior to the intervention， 即係話咧，我未開始我個 intervention 嘅時候，我做完 randomization 啦，例如或者呢個 study 冇 randomization 嘅，呢一班人個 demographic 我得兩組嘅啫，呢兩組人個 demographic 究竟有冇一啲好 significant 嘅 difference， 好大嘅分別？嗱，大家要呢樣嘢要聽得好清楚。下一句我而家嚟緊講呢句要好清楚。所謂一啲 significant 或者 important difference 咧，個意思係咩咧？唔係我哋眼睇到個 difference，個意思係咩咧？嗱，譬如我而家有兩組人，第一我兩組每組25個人嘅啫，每組即係 total 有50個人啦。呢兩組有25個人。A 個組咧，我有20個男5個女。B 個組我調轉。有5個男20個女，係咪 significant difference 啊？你知係咪 significant difference 啊？係咪 significant 啊？我哋就咁憑眼睇到係咪有 difference 啊？肯定係啦，係咪啊？爭好遠啦。但係我所謂嘅 significance 咧，唔係自己我哋睇完之後，唔係睇完個數字之後我哋自己判斷，我哋係用 statistics 咧計數嘅方法咧，用統計學咧去話俾我哋聽係咪 significance 嘅。所以咧呢條所謂嘅 important difference 係講緊呢兩組人嘅 demographic characteristics， 我哋攞完翻嚟之後，做完統計之後，做完 analysis 之後，究竟有冇 significant difference based on 一個 parameter 嘅啫，就係 p values。p values 大家有冇聽過 p values 啊 ？p 咧如果細過0.05咧，就代表咧呢兩組人嗰個某個 demographic factors 咧有一個 significant difference， 知唔知道？我哋係靠呢個去睇嘅，並唔係咧就咁用肉眼睇嗰兩個數字嘅分別嘅。基本上我哋所有喺 research 嘅 language 裏面咧，我哋講有冇 significant difference between groups， 有冇 significant relationship between variables， 都係講緊我哋用統計學嘅方法去定斷嘅，就唔係咧用我哋肉眼睇個數字嘅多少去決定嘅。咁所以咧，大家要好記得呢樣嘢嚇。咁好啦，我哋睇完啦 ，yes no can't tell。嗱呢度咧，我哋可以喺邊度揾到咧？喺 result 嗰個 section 咧，通常第一樣會 report 嘅咧就係呢樣嘢啦。喺 result 裏面，第一個 table 同埋咧第一個 paragraph 裏面咧，佢哋就會講呢樣嘢嘅。咁啦 ，Q2 啦 ，if yes 嗱，如果你話 yes 啦 ，indicate the percentage of relevant confounders that were controlled。佢問你啦，如果咧你係有 confounders 嘅時候咧，如果個 study 啊，唔係講緊你個 review 啊，你個 study 你 review 嗰啲 paper， 講緊每一份 paper 裏面，如果係有 confounders 嘅時候咧，嗰個 researchers 有冇嘗試去 control 佢？個意思係咁樣，有冇嘗試？唔係你有冇嘗試去 control，你千祈唔好誤會喎，係講緊你 review 緊手上面3份裏面其任何一份，你如果佢有 report 到有 confounders 啲 demographics 佢有冇嘗試去 control 嗰啲有 significant difference between groups 嗰啲啊？佢有冇？呢個就係第二要問嘅嘢嘅。如果佢有做到嘅，咪有咯；如果冇嘅就，如果有做到嘅，我哋仲要睇下究竟佢做咗幾多個 percent 有做咗幾多個 percent。咁下星期教你睇。Can't tell 就係佢 mention 都冇 mention 過嘅，咁我哋又係唔知咯。咁跟住之後咧 ，based on 1同埋2，我哋揀嘅 rating 咧，然之後咧，我哋就跟翻個 dictionary 後面咧，就可以知道究竟喺 C confounders 裏面係 strong、moderate 定係 weak 噶啦。嗱，你要理解多一樣嘢。嗱，呢個 component 叫 confounders 啊，即係一啲我哋唔想要嘅 variables 會影響 outcome 啦。咁如果呢個 section 所謂 strong 係咩意思啊 ？strong 嘅意思唔係話個 confounders 好 strong 喎，影響得係咩啊？係個 confounders 個 effect 好少，佢 control 得好好，或者係冇 confounders， 知唔知 ？moderate 就一般啦。weak 咧，如果我 identify 咗呢一個 component 係 weak 嘅意思係咩啊？就係話咧個 confounders 我有 confounders， 佢又冇 control 得好，令到佢對於個 outcome 嘅 effect 好大，影響到我個 findings 咧嗰個error 高啦嚇，咁嘅意思。第6啦 blinding 嗱 blinding 唔陌生啦，尋日又講過啦，臨尾嘅時候 blinding 講緊咩啊？single blind、double blind 咩先？佢呢度都係咁問㗎。你睇下嗰兩題問咩？第一 ，were the outcome assessors aware of the intervention or exposure status？ 第一嗰個 subject 係個 outcome assessor。第二咧個 subject 係咩啊 ？participant 係嘛 ？blinding 我哋講緊係令到 both or either parties 咩 parties 啊 ？outcome assessor 同埋 participant 唔知道佢哋自己唔知道個 participant 喺邊一組裡面啊。我哋最少有兩組㗎嘛，係咪？咁如果你係 cross 晒嗰啲得一組，就冇辦法啦。但係你講開又講喎，如果得一組嘅，我可唔可以做到 blinding 啊？得唔得嘅咧？點 blind 啊？得一組可唔可以做 blinding 啊 ？blind 邊個啊 ？blind participant 唔會啊，佢就知道自己 receive 嘅咩 ？blind outcome assessor 點 blind 啊？揾第二個人幫我去 assess 佢。嗱，因為 blinding 係講緊嗰個 outcome assessor 係唔知道嗰個 subject 係 receive 咗啲咩 intervention 啊嘛，得唔得嘅咧 ？blind 唔 blind 得到嘅咧？得唔得㗎？如果要 blind 你，如果好想 blind 嘅，你點 blind 咧？因為如果你自己 research team 咧，你實知㗎，你 proposal 係你寫嘅喎，係嘛？你個 RA 都實知嘅喎，係點咧？除非你 recruit 一個 RA， 或者咧你 collaborate with 一個因為如果喺做 clinical trial 咧，通常我哋揾間醫院一齊做嘅。你喺嗰度揾個 nurse， 譬如你係做糖尿腳嘅，你嘅 intervention， 咁你揾個 nurse， 你喺嗰度咧 recruit 個 nurse 幫你去度呢一班人個糖尿腳嘅情況。但係佢咧係唔知道究竟你嘅 intervention 係咩嘅，咁你都可以做得到嘅，你都可以做得到嘅嚇。咁但係咧極其量係咩啊 ？single blind 咯嚇，因為 subject 實知道噶嘛，你係 blind 嘅，或者但係你要額外咁樣去做咯。咁咧 double blind 咧就只能夠 double blind or single blind 咧都可以喺兩組或以上嘅 design 上面會有咯嚇。記住啦 ，blind 係 blind 咩咧？係 blind 無論係個 outcome assessor 或者個 participant themselves 咧。佢唔知道自己 receive 緊邊一啲 interventions 嘅咁樣，咁所以咧喺呢度，因為做到 blind， 點解做 blinding 有咩好處咧？又問下先，點解要做 blinding 啊？咩 bias 咧？嗰個 terms 叫咩名啊？心理啊嘛，個 psychological effect 嚇。原來你知道自己係邊個 intervention group 咧？如果譬如你而家做緊 acupuncture versus 一個乜 intervention 都冇嘅嘢啦，去 relieve pain。譬如我 recruit 咗你之後咧，我 randomly 就放咗你去 acupuncture 嗰組，點知原來咧你好驚篤針嘅，但係你又死頂啊，又唔話俾我聽，唉，早啦咁樣，我覺得係有效嘅，但係又好驚篤針嘅。咁篤完之後咧，佢又發覺都唔係喎，原來佢好驚支針嘅喎，咁佢咧心理上咧覺得咧篤完針係會更加痛唔好嘅，但係個心理上啫喎，唔係真嘅喎。咁嗰啲叫做 psychological effect。我哋咧就想咧減少。minimize 呢樣嘢啊，所以我哋要做 blinding， 要 blind 嘅 participants， 等佢唔知道自己係邊一組。嗱，咁如果我個 study 真係一 group 係 acupuncture 嘅，我想睇下 acupuncture 對 relief low back pain 咧有冇效啦嚇。咁如果我要 blind 嘅 participant， 我可以點做咧？我兩組人，咁有一組一定係用 acupuncture 啦，另外一組咧 placebo 點做啊 placebo？ 點做啊 placebo？可以做到嘅喎，點做咧？真係咁做嘅喎，都係篤佢嘅，都係篤針㗎啦。但係點篤咧？針灸咧，你要針，你唔係攞支針拮咗落去有效噶嘛？要針啱個穴位噶嘛，係咪？acupoint 噶嘛。咁你咧，咁如果 placebo 嗰啲都係要拮㗎啦。不過咧就拮遠啲嚇，拮唔啱位就冇效嘅。所以我哋揾嗰啲中醫師做針灸咧，要 experience 嗰啲先得。如果唔係咧，針嚟針去都冇效嘅嚇。真係啊，要好好咁揀一揀先得，真係。如果唔係冇乜效。咁咧，咁我咪 placebo 咯嚇，真係會咁樣做嘅。仲有啲咧做針劑，有啲做藥嗰啲都係嘅，譬如做啲 injection 嗰啲咧。佢 inject 落去嗰啲藥 intervention group 就係佢 propose 藥啦 ，control group 咧就係 inject 啲 normal saline 落去嘅咋，打啲生理鹽水落去，因為冇害噶嘛，打生理鹽水。咁但係咧個 subject 又唔知噶嘛，咁咪 blind 咗個 subject 咯。咁個 outcome assessor 啦，我哋要點樣 blind 啊？點 blind 個 outcome assessor？點 blind 啊？ 係啦。outcome assessor 通常係自己個 research team 啲 team member 嚟嘅。咁我哋可以做就係、我哋通常咧，如果要做 blind 嘅 outcome assessor 咧，負責做 assessment 嗰個人咧就唔會 involve 喺 recruitment 同埋做 randomization 嗰度嘅。randomization 我哋要特別揾一個人做嘅，嗰個人咧就自己做咗，唔講俾任何人聽嘅。咁做 recruitment 裏面我哋都唔揾佢嘅，佢淨係做個 assessment 嘅啫。咁咧咁就可以做到 blinding 嗰個效果啦。係啦，呢度啦嚇 blinding。咁我哋又要睇下嚇點樣做咯。咁下星期通常咧呢度咧就會有一個 section 咧係叫做 blinding and randomization，佢嗰度就會講嘅嚇，佢嗰度會講嘅嚇。E 啦 ，data collection methods。嗱呢一橛咧就係講緊都未講嘅，未咁快講添，因為下星期講 social recruitment，再下星期先至講 data collection 嘅。咁喺 data collection 裏面咧有一樣嘢簡單講啦，有一樣嘢我哋好 concern，亦都係好容易咧令到我哋 measure 咗翻嚟啲 data 有錯誤嘅，就係嗰個 measurement tools 啊，好易理解啦，係咪？如果我個 outcome 係度 BP， 咁度 BP 我哋一般用咩度㗎？而家好少人手度㗎啦，係咪？用個 BP 機，用個 Dynamet 咯，去度咯嚇。我哋 lab 大把啦，係咪？咁如果個 Dynamet 係唔準嘅，冇定時做 calibration 嘅，你覺得出嚟啲 data 準唔準啊？肯定唔準啦，係咪？或者咧，我用5部機去做嘅，但係每部機咧，你點 calibrate 都好啦，其實一定咧會有少少 variation 嘅都嚇。咁但係如果我又唔去做 calibration，攞5部係快啊，我多 subject 咁啊，成千個，咁喺唔同 centre 嗰度。有5個 centre，每個 centre 攞一部機去度，咁你出嚟個結果又點啊？啲 data 咧裡面都唔準確噶啦。所謂唔準確係咩啊？唔能夠 truly reflect 到你個 subjects 嗰個 blood pressures， 係咪？如果冇人知噶啦，個幾高我度咗係咪係咯咁樣？咁我哋係啊，冇人知㗎，個 subject 自己都唔知 blood pressure 係幾多㗎。不過咧，我哋會知道個機準唔準㗎嘛，我哋可以做 calibration 㗎嘛。咁所以咧呢一度咧係即係簡單講係講緊啲咩咧？就係話你愛嚟 measure 你個 outcome 啊，譬如你係 BP， 我哋用 blood pressure 嘅 machine， 你 measure 嗰個人嘅 depression， 我哋用一啲survey scale depression scale。depression scale 咧紙張嘅 measure 咧 rating scale 咧，我哋都有辦法咧去知道佢準唔準確嘅，唔係淨係一啲 machine 類型嘅 measurement tools， 我哋先知佢準唔準確嘅嚇。咁喺當我講到嗰堂 lecture 嘅時候，就會教大家睇嘅。咁大家而家要知道就係話原來呢度咧係講緊呢樣嘢嘅。我哋逢份講緊 data collection method，個 data collection tools 好唔好咧？我哋用兩方面去睇嘅，一樣係 valid，第二樣係 reliable。valid 嘅意思就係話啦，係咪能夠 truly reflect 嗰個 subjects 嘅真正血壓？攞翻頭先血壓嗰個例子。第二樣嘢係 reliable， 所以兩樣佢都問嘅，兩樣我哋都有方法 check 嘅。reliable 係可靠，可靠意思就係話係咪我每一次用翻同一部機去量呢一個 subjects 嘅血壓，我都得到同一個數字。咁呢個就係講緊 reliable 啦。咁當然如果血壓呢樣嘢係好 fluctuate 噶嘛，咁當然講緊喺好短時間內去量度嘅時候，佢嗰個係咪個數字都差唔多啦。咁呢度牽涉，如果你係血壓，不過今日唔好講啦。如果牽涉血壓呢啲咧，喺全日裏面都可以好 fluctuate 㗎。就算你冇 receive 任何 intervention，咁我哋咧係要定咧一個特定嘅 period 咧，去每一次都係用嗰個特定 period 嗰段時間去度嗰個 BP 嘅。如果唔係咧，你出嚟啲嘢都係錯嘅嚇。咁呢個就係講呢樣嘢啦嚇。F 啦，最後一個 withdraw drop out， 大家點理解呢一個 component 啊？withdraw 都係做下走咗啦嚇。譬如我哋不時都收到有啲同學讀唔足5年嘅，讀咗某個時候就 withdraw 啦嚇，就唔讀啦。drop out 咧 ，withdraw 通常嘅意思就係自己走啦嚇，唔嚟啦，唔再嚟啦。withdraw drop out 係咩啊？ drop out 就闊啲嘅，有啲可以包括係佢過身啦，佢唔能夠再嚟啦嚇，移民啦啲又唔能夠再嚟，呢啲 drop out 啦，闊啲啦，所以 drop out 就包括嗰個範圍闊啲嘅。咁我哋咧喺做 studies 咧，其實係好驚 drop out 嘅。下星期咧都會話俾大家聽點解嘅，因為咧我哋做 quantitative studies 要計 sample size 㗎。譬如我而家做緊，好似佢哋個 studies 做揾 pregnant woman，可能我要計我要揾幾多個 pregnant woman 咧， 攞 data 咧，啲 findings 先至係準確嘅。我成日話要準確嘛，最緊要準確啊嘛，少 error 啊嘛。咁我要揾幾多個 subjects 翻嚟，我先至可以揾到最準確嘅 findings 咧。所以我哋要計嘅，而計出嚟嗰個數咧係你最少嘅 subjects 要嘅，即係話如果我要計出嚟嘅 sample size，我係要50個人，即係話我最少要50個人咧，我先至 guarantee 到咧我嗰個 findings 出嚟咧個準確度有 for example 90%。我哋要咁樣去睇嘅喎，原來。咁換句話講咧，如果我少咗 minimum 係50個人，我少咗一個人咧 drop out 一個人咧，我都唔掂噶啦，因為 drop out 一個人咧個準確度咧就會下降啊，所以我哋好驚 drop out 嘅嚇。咁呢度正正就係問呢樣嘢啦。咁點解我哋做一個 quality evaluation 裏面要有呢個 component 咧？就係我哋知道原來 drop out 個 sample 多少係影響住咧個 findings 出嚟嗰個 accuracy 啊。所以點解我哋都要有呢個 component 喺度就咁解啦。咁我哋睇下問咩咯？有兩款喎。Were withdrawals or dropouts report in terms of numbers and reason？ 究竟有冇 report 到咧？嗱 ，studies 一定會有 dropout 嘅，我未見過係冇嘅。dropout 唔緊要，但係咧個 percentage 唔可以太大。咁所以你見佢無論呢一題啦，同埋下一題咧，都係問你 drop out 咗幾多人 percentage 同埋咩原因嘅。咁呢個就係第一個就問你啦。drop out 有 drop out 嘅時候，佢有冇 report 到有幾多個人 drop out？In terms of numbers，即係 numbers of participants 啊，同埋有冇原因㗎？嚇，第一呢一個。第二問乜嘢啊 ？Indicate the percentage of participants completing the studies。佢叫你 indicate 咧有幾多 percent 嘅participants 咧 complete 咗個 studies 喎。換句話講，呢一個 complete 咗個 studies 個數字咪可以反映咗乜嘢啊？有幾多個 percent drop out 咯？我哋一般咧要係少過20% 㗎。如果大過20% 咧，其實就好大問題㗎啦。對於嗰個 findings 嚇，咁當然係越細越好啦。咁下星期咧又會教我哋喺邊度會睇到呢樣嘢咧？又喺 result 一份好質素嘅 quality 嘅 paper 咧，一份好質素啊，講緊佢咧一定咧會畫咗一個chart 出嚟，去 illustrate 咧佢喺邊一個時間有冇 drop out，有冇咩原因嘅。我哋就靠睇嗰啲 table 咧，就計翻嗰個 completion rates 嘅。咁下星期又係教大家睇喺 result 嗰個部分嚇。咁我哋睇晒呢度咁多之後咧，我哋就可以啦。嗱，頭先講咗咯。G 同 H 我唔特別 mention 啦，我哋就可以去 global rating 呢度，就根據咧你頭先呢6個 component rate 咗係啲乜嘢咧，我哋畫翻喺度嘅。咁最理想梗係 strong 啦。如果呢份 paper 我哋話佢嘅 quality strong，就即係話咧呢6個 component 裡面咧冇一個係 weak 嘅，最少都要 moderate 咯嚇。咁如果係 moderate 咧，就容許一個 weak 嘅 item 嘅啫。如果係 weak 嘅咧，即係有6個裡面有2個以上或以上咧，都係 weak，我哋就話呢份 paper 係 weak 㗎啦，得唔得？好，今日就講到呢度啦，差唔多要落堂啦。下星期咧，記住嚇帶翻嗰份 guideline 翻嚟，我哋咧就用一個例子嚇，即係依份嘢啦，有晒答案㗎啦，唔使抄啦，費事抄漏啦嚇。咁咧，等大家翻去溫習容易啲嚇。OK。下星期見啦。